This is Jacob, LAB04 Task 2. So, actually I had to make a lot of changes for this task. Let's see. So first of all, I needed to unlock pin 0 in order to be able to use the second push button, or I don't know whether it's the second or first. Yeah, it's the second one. Then I had to do the config set for it to set the pull-up so that the input will register correctly. And then I had to enable the input from the interrupt for the button, as well as create a interrupt handler for it, which is all here. And here it clears it and does all the stuff, and it checks if, oh no, that's timer 0. Wait, here is the switch. Okay, here it is. This is the right one. It clears it down here at the bottom, actually. In here, it sets a variable to 1. This is a volatile variable that's declared globally up here. And then it sets the LED to be on, and then it sets the one timer down here, and it uses the clock get times 2 to set it for 2 seconds. And then once that's happened, it should go into this timer at the end in order to, so this is timer 1, and it just basically disables itself and then sets the variable back to 0. And then in the original timer, I now have an if statement which the toggling is inside of, checking if this value is 0. So if it's 1, which should be set after pressing the button, then it'll stop toggling the value. Now, in order to show you that, I'm going to turn the testing on. So over here you can see it's blinking as normal. Now you should be able to see my finger over here. When I press this, it stays on for about 2 seconds and then goes back to blinking. You can do that a bunch of times and it'll just do the same thing. And so yeah, that's task 2.